In my early teenage years, after a short stint at McDonald's, I started working for my father. And he used to have a saying that he would tell me and all his other employees. It says, if you want to figure out the easiest way to do something, assign that task to your laziest employee. Well, come to think of it, he used to assign me lots of tasks, and yeah, I'll admit it, I'm rather lazy. And one of the beautiful things about using computers, and especially Microsoft Office, is it allows me to be lazy. Except I don't have to call it lazy, I call it being more productive. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to save time, and not be lazy, but to be much more productive using a very simple feature called AutoText. And AutoText allows you to repeat text or blocks of text that you use again and again and again. So as an example, let's assume in this case that my name is Harry Henderson, we'll assume, and I'm running Harry's Hatchery. I've used Harry's Hatchery in a couple of other of my Word videos here. And so Harry likes to sign his letters, but he has learned at least that he could digitize his signature. But what he's been running into, and if I'm Harry in this case, what I've been running into, is that every time I want to put in my signature, I have to start typing. I type healthy hatchlings, that's my close, and then I have to insert the picture, have to size it just right, the picture of my signature, and then I end up typing Harry Henderson, head honcho, Harry's Hatchery. Well, I'm so lazy, I don't ever have to want to do that more than once. In fact, I'm so lazy, I'm not even going to type it on the screen for you right now. It's already here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that signature block, including the graphic image of the signature, into an AutoText entry. Then whenever I'm creating a letter, I just go ahead with a couple clicks of the mouse, I just pop it in right where my insertion point is. Well, let's go ahead and show you how easy that is to do. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the text that I want in this AutoText block. And you'll notice that I'm so lazy, I'm even including the blank line above the closing healthy hatchings. Okay, then I'm going to go, once I've got the text selected that I want to repeat again and again and again with just a couple clicks of the mouse, I'll go into Insert, and I'll go into Quick Parts, which is where I can find AutoText. Then I'll go to AutoText. Now, because I haven't used that feature on this computer, there are none here yet. But if there were, and we'll see it here in just a second, there will be a list of the AutoText entries that I could use. So I'll click on AutoText, and it says, okay, do you want to save that selection to your AutoText gallery? Well, I do. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And now it says, okay, give me a name. Well, I'm going to call this Harry Signature. And it's going to appear in the AutoText gallery. If I were doing signatures for multiple people, I could actually make a category here. I could create a new category and call it signatures, but in this case we'll just go ahead and leave it here as general. And I don't really need a description, but it's pretty obvious what this is. But again, if I had lots of AutoText entries and I was doing a lot of work for other people, I could put in a description as well. So I'll go ahead and put in here Harry's Signature. Now it asks me, where do I want to put this? Well, it's saving it by default in the normal.dotm. That is the normal template. And so if they save this in the normal template, every new document that I create from this point forward, this AutoText entry will be available for me, which is exactly what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and change, leave that as it is. I could change it and put it into a specific template if I wanted to. And now it says, okay, what are the options here? Do I want to insert just the content? I could put this in its own paragraph, because there's multiple paragraphs. I don't have to worry about that, but I can actually put it on its own page. And again, I just want it inserted where my insertion point is when I insert it. So I'll go ahead and click OK. Alright, so from this point forward, this whole block of text, including the signature, is available to me with just a couple clicks of the mouse. So let's go ahead and show you how easy that is. I'm going to go ahead and close this without saving. And then I'll go ahead and start a new letter. Alright, dear customer. Okay, I hope you liked your purchase. Alright, short and sweet. Now I'm ready to go ahead and close the letter. So I'll go to Insert, I'll go to Quick Parts, I'll go to AutoText, and there it is. There's Harry's Signature right there. And again, if I had multiple ones, I would just click the one I want. I'll go ahead and click on Harry's Signature, and there it is. It's just that easy. So it's very easy to be more productive when you're using Microsoft Word. Let me just show you one more thing about this here. If you decided that you were just playing around with me and you didn't need this, it's very easy to delete this. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the AutoText entry, and I'm going to right click on that AutoText entry, and I'm going to choose Organize and Delete. And when I choose Organize and Delete, it has every block of text that's already built in here. At the very, very top, though, we have the AutoText gallery. We have Harry's signature. I don't want that anymore. I'm going to go ahead and delete it because I was just experimenting. I'll answer yes, I'm sure I want to delete. And I'll close. Now, when I go to Quick Parts and AutoText, it starts over as if there was nothing there. Okay, very easy, as you see, to use AutoText. I have many, many more videos out here in my YouTube channel. If you like this YouTube video, please consider liking it, please consider subscribing, and there are many, many other additional resources, step-by-step instructions, and other videos on my website, luthermaddy.com. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.